Hi guys. Yes. I'll stop for a while and in the Bayang Bridge. Go down there is the river. Seeing the views. We'll go at the other side of the bridge. You look at the flowing river below the bridge. Up there's so many rice fields. They are already planted and some other are grown rice. Take a video by Ang Bridge through the roads and the other side.